In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change Steam profile picture. By the end of this video, you'll have a new Steam profile picture set on your account, either from Steam's built-in options or an image you upload yourself. First, open Steam. Wait for the main window to load so you can see your home or library screen. Next, click your profile name. You'll find it at the top right of the Steam window, next to your current avatar. Clicking it takes you to your profile page. Now, click Edit Profile. This button appears on your profile page and opens the settings where you can change how your profile looks. From here, click Avatar. You'll see this in the left-hand menu of the Edit Profile screen. This section is dedicated to your profile picture. At this point, choose a picture or upload a new one. On the right, you'll see Steam's available avatar options. Click any built-in avatar to select it and preview the change. If you want to use your own image, click the Upload option, then select a file from your computer. Common image formats like JPG or PNG work well. Square images display best and will help avoid unwanted cropping. If the image looks off in the preview, pick a different file before saving. Don't worry, nothing is final until you save. Once that's done, click Save. You'll find the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it once and wait a moment for Steam to apply the change. If you don't click Save, your selection will not be updated. Your Steam profile picture is now updated and live on your account. Friends and other players will see the new avatar on your profile, in chat, and in games that display your Steam image. If you ever want to change it again, return to Edit Profile, go to Avatar, pick a different option or upload a new file, and click Save. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.